Hi, my name is Corik Suabe. I'm a local guide level 7 from the Philippines. So right now, I'm here at my hometown in Lingayen, Pangasinan. We are now at Lingayen Gulf. So Lingayen Gulf has a lot to offer. It's fine sands, shallow waters, the beautiful waves, and the beach itself. Wow, amazing view. It's also a historical stage of the battle between American and Japanese forces during World War II. Aside from its scenic and historic feature, it also showcases fitness as there are many bikers and joggers everywhere. I appreciate how people find this place in Google Local Guide with 1,000 views, and with that, I'm always motivated and inspired to keep on sharing local places in the Philippines. And of course, what made me in love with Lingayen is its surreal sunset. Perfect. This is my application, so I hope to see you guys on Connect Live 2020. Thank you.